Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, you're not gonna believe it. I mean, I can't believe it because I've been wanting these for so flippin' long. But this is the Dinglehopper makeup brush set, the Little Mermaid from Disney. They have come out with this brush set called the Little Mermaid Dinglehopper brush set, and these are so hard to get a hold of, and I couldn't believe it because I was actually at the mall today and I saw them at Hot Topic. That's where they sell them, at Hot Topic. I mean, I just could not believe my eyes when I saw they had 2 left in the whole store, and I got one for me and I got one for you dolls. And if you'd like to enter to win your own Dinglehoppers for yourself, then just subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you love these brushes. Would you actually use them, or would you keep them as a collector's item? Because I was really afraid to use them at first, but guys, you can see I went ahead and did it. I created this look using just these brushes here. So let me go ahead and show you quickly before I get into the tutorial, but these brushes are absolutely beautiful. I could not believe it when I took them out of the package. They have some weight to them. They do feel like metal, but they're not too heavy. So I believe these are made of metal. They don't feel like a cheap plastic. They feel very well made. The bristles stay wonderfully into the handle. You don't hear, they're not, you know, they feel very secure. They feel really nice, and I was really surprised. I am so shocked at how amazing these brushes are. I actually figured that they wouldn't be comfortable to use. I didn't think they would actually be very functional, but in reality they were super functional. I wish that there was a fluffy brush in this collection here. Just one fluffy brush would have been amazing, but unfortunately there's not. But you can definitely do different blending, you know, layer your colors on top of each other and get a well blended look. They truly did lay down the colors perfectly. This brush, I just love how it applied my blush, and they really do work out really wonderfully. I was so shocked because I figured they're more like, you know, maybe gimmicky, or even are they really, you know, usable, but they definitely are, and I felt amazing using them. I actually feel very super creative using them. I feel like, to be honest, I do feel like a Little Mermaid, a Disney, you know, I'm in a Disney movie, so what could be better than that? I mean, and they're so beautiful. The pearls, the pink starfish, the aqua blue iridescent seashell. I mean, these brushes are just absolutely stunning. They feel amazing in your hand. They work wonderfully. So I definitely think whether you're going to use these or, you know, or not, or just keep them like a collector's item, is an amazing purchase. So again, these were about $26 at Hot Topic. They are usually sold out, so I'm not sure if you could get them, but if I were you, I would go into the Hot Topic, and that's how I found mine in store. And definitely, if you're not already subscribed to Hot Topic, if you go on their website before you get into the store and sign up for emails, then they give you a $10 off coupon. So actually these brushes will come out to be like $16. You'll get $10 off. So they'll be $16 instead of $26, which I think is amazing. I've seen these going on eBay for hundreds of dollars, so people really want these, and I could see why. I mean, even if you, they really are amazing. And like I said, they're not heavy. They feel very comfortable in your hand. They really do. They feel amazing in your hand. So I could not be happier. I absolutely love these brushes, and I'm so happy that I got them and I got my hands on them. So guys, definitely don't forget, if you'd like to take part in the giveaway, just leave me a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to take part. Just also be subscribed to my channel. Those are the only 2 requirements. And I'll be picking the winner soon, and I'll let you guys know in the comments who the winner is and pin them to the top so everybody can see. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look today using the Dinglehoppers, these amazing makeup brushes from Disney's Little Mermaid, then just keep watching. So guys, I've got the brushes here and I'm so excited to use them. Guys, is this what you use it for? It's a Dinglehopper. Guys, you know what though? It's not, is it really that bad? I'm gonna go ahead and do a look with them really quick, but I did put extra powder under my eyes for some bake, and I just thought it would be fun to do like a mermaid-esque little look with them. So I figured I would use this really pretty palette. This is a NYX Contour Intuitive Eye and Sculpt Facing palette, and it had just all these beautiful kind of pastel. It reminds me of kind of like that sea life, you know, kind of look. So I figured I would do that today and try out the brushes for those of you who would like to use them and not just keep them in the packaging. So let's go ahead and try them out. So I do have the face brush here, and I'll use these for my eyes. So this really pretty much isn't your traditional fluffy brush like I usually use, But you know, I figure let's just give it a go, and I'll just use what's here and see what we come up with, guys. I don't know, it might not be that great because I am used to using my fluffy brushes. Anyways, we'll just have fun. So I'm just gonna go in, guys. I did prep my eyes with my Morphe concealer, and now I'm just gonna use this really light shade. So of course you can always, you know, use any white eyeshadow, and you know, I'm gonna use white, blue, and purple pretty much today. So you can, any palette you have will do. I'm just gonna put this white shade right on my lid. And these brushes are synthetic, so that I really love that. That actually looks, oh gosh guys, that is so pretty. It's like opalescent. So that color right there was so pretty. And we'll do the other eye. But this brush really does feel amazing when you use it. I'm really shocked because I wasn't expecting it, but actually it's laying that color down beautifully because it is a very large kind of shader brush head. So it's really packing that color on beautifully. Although guys, you know, I really probably wanted it just for the Little Mermaid, but this is actually working really nice. So I would love to, I'll definitely use this as an everyday brush, to be honest. So let's also put some right under our brow bone. And I know one of you beauties had requested that I would do like a pastel eyeshadow look, so hopefully this will come out nice and pastel like one of you beauties had requested. So let's go ahead and use this shade now. And I'm going to use this other brush. This is more not as flat as the other brush in the palette. So maybe this will work good as a kind of a blending crease brush. So let's go ahead and put some of that in the crease. Oh, this is really nice, guys. Wow. This is not bad whatsoever. It really is really nice. And I really do feel, it's making me feel I really do feel sort of like Little Mermaid, living out my Little Mermaid fantasies right now. So that is really nice. So I really love that, guys. Wow, that's so pretty. So then let's go back in with the first brush that we used, and I'm gonna use this light blue color now. Let's put that right in the center of my lid here. Oh, that's so pretty, guys. Wow, I really love that. Let me take the other brush now in the collection. There's only 4 brushes in the collection. So I'm gonna take this kind of pencil brush and I'm gonna dip into that sea green color again because that's just so beautiful. And I'm gonna smudge that under my eyes. And then I'm gonna go right into this kind of purple color and just dig right in. And let's just put that right on the outer part of our eye. I'm just gonna go back into our pink shade and just try to blend that out a little bit. Yeah, that's really pretty. So guys, since I have hooded eyes, I always kind of like to take my darker shade and kind of bring it over. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. And I'm just tapping it on and creating a shape with that purple shade. And I'm just gonna dip back into that first pink color we used and just pack it right over the purple to get a nice blend. You know, too bad there isn't a fluffy brush in the collection. It would have been perfect if there had been a fluffy brush, but unfortunately there's not. So guys, that's where I'm at so far. I did have tons of fallout, but I just took my handy dandy Dinglehopper and wiped it away. So now we can get back to working on this face. It is much harder than I anticipated without my fluffy brushes, but it's all good, right? So I'm just gonna put a little bit more powder under my eyes. This is the Candlelight powder from Too Faced. So this is just some powder under my eyes just to brighten up because we had all that fallout, and plus I just want to play with this brush, guys. Oh my god. So let's keep going, guys. Actually I just realized I have this Stila Sunset Cove. This is the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. Here it is. It's just so pretty. So let's pop some of this on. Ooh, that is so pretty. Wow. And let me gonna get on my lashes and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I put on my lashes. Now I'm gonna work on my face. So I am going to take this Dinglehopper right here, the fluffier one. And I have this beautiful, beautiful highlighter. So I'm gonna wet my face with my face mist. Just gonna dip right into my highlighter. So there it is, guys. I think that is just one of the most gorgeous highlighters ever. And then I've got to put on my Mally blush that I'm obsessed with. And guys, I'm hitting pan, so I don't know what I'm gonna do because they do not, I don't think they make that blush anymore. So let's just use our Dinglehopper. This brush actually does work amazing at putting on blush, because it's doing just such a nice job. So guys, I'm just gonna, you know, since I'm doing like a pastel kind of face, I figure I would just pop on, you know, something a little bit unexpected, I feel like. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a bolder lip. So I'm gonna put on this MAC Soar lip liner and then just a really beautiful plum kind of lip. So let's see how it looks together. So that's a little deeper than I thought, you know, than I was anticipating. So let me just take some of the highlighter and let me just try and go over this lip with the highlighter and see how that comes out. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and seeing how I used my Dinglehoppers to create this look. If you guys would like to be entered to win your own set of Dinglehoppers, then just leave a comment below. Definitely subscribe to my channel. That's the only #1 rule. And leave a comment letting me know that you'd like to win a set. These are pretty much super hard to get. They're sold out everywhere. If you'd like to get one to do your makeup with or just to keep as a collector's item, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this Dinglehopper look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Or do you hate it? Or what? Thanks so much again, dolls, for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!